Okay, everything ready? Everything. Alright, now in the previous video that I did like a week ago, which was based upon validation, everything that you need to know about validation, which will be played right now for around 10 seconds so you can have a preview of it. So let's play it. Validation. That's right, in this video I'm going to be talking about validation, but not the validation that you get from your parents, teacher or from your uncle, but validation in perspective to a BIM environment. Okay, so now that you have seen what the preview is, this is going to be a continuation to that video, and so in this video I'm going to be talking about the three kind of checks, validation checks that are being done in full depth and detail. So these three are as follows. The first one is the geometry check, the second one is the data checks, and the third one and the last one, let me give you a space, it's called as coordination checks. So these are the three that we are going to be talking about in this video, so let's get started. So the first kind of check is known as geometry check. So as the name itself suggests, geometry checks, the main aim of this kind of check is to make sure that the geometrical requirements of the model are in accordance with the LOD requirements, the level of detail requirements that have been specified in the EIR, which stands for Employees Information Requirement. Alright, so in order to explain this geometry check in a better way, let's take an example. Now in this example, the client firstly specified in his EIR and provided the contractor with a plan, a house plan, which states that the windows are supposed to be 25 by 32 inches. Now in response to that EIR, the contractor makes a 3D model such as this, and now the design consultant or the information manager goes up to this model and goes through it and checks whether the specified windows that were specified in the EIR 25 by 32 inches are actually there in the model. So these kind of checks are known as the geometry checks. Hope you guys understood that. Now let's move on to the next kind of checks, which is data checks. Alright, so here's the deal. We have two things to mainly consider in these kind of checks. The first one is that we have a predefined data structure, and on the other hand we have a model and with its components. So the main aim of this check is to see that the predefined data structure and the model are aligned with each other. They normally check whether the data is accurate and complete, and these kind of checks usually take place on a weekly basis, and typically all of the design consultants on the project carry out these kind of checks as part of their internal workflow. Next we will move on to the last kind of check, which is called as coordination check. Say it with me again. Coordination checks. The main aim of this particular check is to see that all of the departments, such as the MEP department, the planning department, the quantity surveying department, all of these departments are in coordination to each other. Nobody is sidetracked from the main aim, because all of these departments have particular elements that they combine into the model, and if they clash with each other, and we run through a clash detection process, which lists out all of the clashes that are happening within the model. So that's one way to see, and this is the kind of coordination check. The clash detection is the kind of coordination check that is being done. The importance of doing this check is that it acts as an early warning system for all of the future errors that might occur in the model itself. Now as a result of this, we will save time and money both at the same time. And again, these kind of checks are done by the design consultants as the part of their internal workflow, and also the information manager and the BIM coordinator, as the BIM coordinator has itself coordinator, does these kind of checks. So that's gonna be it for this video, and hope you guys learned a few things. I explained what are the different kind of validation checks that have been happening, and in order to summarize, these are three kind of checks. The first one is geometry, second one is data checks, and the third one is the coordination checks. So hope you guys learned a few things, and this has been Naman Singhal from Rising Gulf, and I will see you guys in the next video, so take care.